Moment of silence for the champions, for those who make going hard a lifestyle. Never wait for nothing, gotta get it right now. I'm in the spotlight when they turn the lights down. Only a champ swing the hardest in the 12th round. I love the 4th quarter, I love the 9th inning, I love game 7. Bring on the competition, cause in my heart can't nobody do it better. Can't slow me down, won't stop me never. I'm so Cassius Clay, I'm Tyson in his prime. You little league with, I'm Barry Bonds with mine. I beat the buzzer, baby, my stroke is hole in one. You see the checkered flag, finish line, here I come. And I ain't gotta brag, I let the trophies do it. Around here we the best, now come and hold me to it. I specialize in everything that can't be done, ain't no more talking about it. Moment of silence for the champion.
They say we warriors, they say we did it again.
Hands high for the champion.
We are victorious, we only in it to win.
Stand up for the champion.
No surrender and no retreat, we take the battlefield over every time.
Hey, clap your hands for the champion.
We came, we saw, we conquered everything in sight.
Moment of silence for the champion.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, that's the sound you hear from the crowd when we come through. They screaming. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, we run the town here, can't you tell when we come through? They screaming. Champions, we are champions. They screaming. Champions, we are champions. Can't nobody handle us up, there ain't no competitors. No wonder why we are the champions.
You read the newspapers, you saw the magazines, you got the internet, but you ain't gotta Google me. My name is up in lights, my face is well known. You see a Super Bowl dancing in the end zone. You see us taking shots of vodka out the Stanley's cup. You see us running out the tunnel looking fired up. And in my heart, can't nobody do it better. Can't slow me down, won't stop me never. I'm Dale Earnhardt, I'm so Michael Phelps. So many gold medals, too many title belts. I started all state and came up from that. Now I'm a world champ and reppin' everywhere. Call me incredible, work ethic impeccable. I did it for the decimals and now I can't let it go. I specialize in anything that can't be done. Ain't no more talking about it. Moment of silence for the champion.
They say we warriors, they say we did it again.
Hands high for the champion.
We are victorious, we only in it to win.
Stand up for the champion.
No surrender and no retreat, we take the battlefield over every time.
Hey, clap your hands for the champion.
We came, we saw, we conquered everything in sight.
Moment of silence for the champion.
Hey yo,